Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use the DeepSeek extension that let you save the prompts as a GPTs. This is the GPTs that I have saved, aka prompts. Once you click it, it will be here. You can write them as follow. The first line should be the name as it appears here. Name. Second thing, the prompt. Then you can click save. It will be saved, and you have manage GPTs. Here you will find some ready made for you custom GPTs. For example, data scientist. Once you be clicked, it will be here. Act as data scientist. You can save it. As you can see, it's here. If you want to create your own, you should write them in the as follow format: name, then the prompt, then you can hit save. You can manage them here. You can create your own, delete, edit in manage tab right here. Then you can write your prompt, and that's it. I think and I hope it's helpful to save you some time. That's it for today. See you in the next one.